Cartoon AI videos are exploding right now. Bringing characters to life with perfect lip sync is the ultimate secret to going viral and dominating the feed.
Meow. It hurts so much. Can you make it better?
Hey there, little one. Don't cry. I'm going to help you. There you go. All fixed now.
Thank you for saving me.
Let's go home, little one.
Thank you.
Hey everyone, Nova here. Our team is growing. You already know my brother and sister, Kai and Mila. But now, meet the new hero in town, my cousin, Luca. He's here to take our tutorials to the next level.
Hey guys, hope you're doing good. I'm Luca, and I'm so excited to share today's tutorial with you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create long-form stories with consistent characters, how to master multi-shot video, and even how to do lip sync for multiple characters at once. Alright, here we are on the Dzine main page. You can check out the available tools right here. Here you can quickly jump into lip sync, AI video, AI character, or the image editor. To sign up, just use your Gmail. The dashboard features a list of popular tools, and there's also a section for quick video tutorials to help you get started. So many styles to explore. Plus, you can easily design your own from scratch. First things first, let's build the characters for our story. We're going to start right here. Enter this section, upload your reference image, and select your style. Like you see, there are a whole bunch of styles available here. Next, just type in the prompt. Pro tip, you can grab these prompts from ChatGPT or Gemini if you're looking for some inspiration. What I did was simple. I got ChatGPT to whip up a story based on my idea, and then I asked it for specific image prompts for every single scene. So I took that idea, did some scene building of my own, and then dialed in the prompts. Of course, you can also just keep it simple. Just copy and paste whatever prompts ChatGPT generates for you. Now just customize the settings. I'm going with color match and face match for this one. We have normal and HD modes, plus negative prompt in the advanced settings. Want a custom style? Just click the plus icon up here. It has both quick and pro modes. Hit generate and boom, here's our character. Let's jump into the consistent character part so we can make sure our character stays consistent. Inside Build Your Character, we have the Quick Mode option, where you can easily upload a reference photo of your character. In the Training Mode section, you have the ability to upload several images instead of just one. I'll use Quick Mode for this one. Here, you can decide whether to start with a description, or simply start with only an image depending on what you have. We've already got our image, right? Since we just created it together. Next, let's upload the image and choose a name for our character. Hit start building and there it is. Now we just have to add it to our consistent character list. As you can see, Leo has been added to the list. Let's use our new characters to bring different scenes to life. Go ahead and select your chosen characters from the panel, and then we'll add the prompt for the scene. Choose between V1 and V2, set your output quality, and pick the aspect ratio that fits your needs. Okay, characters are picked, the prompt is ready, and settings are all set. Let's click generate and check out what we've got. I went with the character and create image sections for my scenes, but this tool has so much more to offer. For instance, you can jump into Instant Storyboard and whip up your scenes there too. You've got V1 and V2 versions available. It lets you select characters, feed it multiple images and prompts, and basically dial in all your settings in one place. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Time to animate. Head over to the right sidebar and hit AI Video to bring your image to life. All generated results appear in the right-hand panel, with individual shortcut tools conveniently located under each result. Hit AI Video, and now you can use Keyframe and Reference to customize your video even further. In the Keyframe section, you can choose between start and last frames or use any frame. Now just type your video prompt in the box. There are several AI models available here, so just pick whichever one you want. Switch audio on or off, pick your aspect ratio, and adjust the quality and duration however you like. So, there's this awesome new video feature everyone's talking about lately. It's called Multi-Shot Kling 3, and it's honestly a game changer. I chose a starting image, dropped it into the AI video tool, and went with 3 shots of 3 seconds each. After adding the prompts and finishing the setup, it's time to see what this thing is made of. The platform provides lip sync support for both image and video formats. Now let's lip sync the image. To do this, I'm selecting the lip sync tool from the quick access bar on the right side. Time to identify the face. Let's go with mark face manually for precise tracking. Time for audio. Hit pick a voice to select a voiceover or upload your own. You can change the language here as well. Type your speech here. Pick your mode, standard or essential, and adjust the speed slider to match your character's vibe. Check the audio. If it's good, press apply. If not, simply edit or click regenerate to try again. Let's follow the same process for the second character as well. Voices are ready. Drag them to the right place on the timeline, then press generate to see the final result. Choose between normal and pro modes in the lip sync settings. You can also adjust the output quality to match your project requirements.
Let's go home, little one.
Thank you.
The process is exactly the same for video lip syncing as well. Just follow those same steps. Let's not repeat ourselves and save some time. Let's check out the final result.
There you go. All fixed now.
Thank you for saving
What do you
me.
think, guys? Make sure to visit this platform. It's a real lifesaver for your projects. Let me know your thoughts in the comments too. I'm all ears.
Anyway, that's it from me. Hopefully that was actually useful for you. Catch you guys in the next one.